Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. This prevents later carrier errors. Once done, open Settings and go to Cellular or Mobile Data. Tap Add eSIM or Add Cellular Plan and choose Scan QR Code if you have one. If prompted, enter the activation or SMDP Plus code supplied by your carrier. Make sure Wi-Fi remains connected during download. This step downloads the carrier profile to secure storage on your device. After the profile downloads, you'll see installation prompts. Follow them to name the line and set it as primary or secondary. Once installed, assign which line handles cellular data and voice. This matters when you have dual lines. If the carrier requires activation, allow a few minutes for network registration. Also, check cellular plan settings for APN or data settings and input manually if instructed. If things stall, a restart often forces the device to register with the carrier network. To deactivate, you can delete the eSIM profile from settings. Go to Cellular, select the plan, and choose Remove or Delete. If you need permanent deactivation or transfer to another device, contact your carrier so they retire the profile server side. Once removed, confirm the line no longer appears and restart the phone. If activation or deactivation fails, try toggling airplane mode, reconnecting Wi-Fi, and rescanning the QR code. This quick sequence often resolves registration hiccups without needing carrier escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.